I'm Subha, your IELTS instructor from your media. So we have been receiving numerous queries regarding the question that whether it is possible to prepare for IELTS within a short span of 1 month or not. Regarding the students, I would like to say that it depends upon your base in the English language. Yes, it is possible to do so within a short span. Even I did so in a matter of maybe 15 days. But I had a well-established, base in my English language. So if you possess that, you can also do that. And on the other hand, there are various tips and strategies which you can follow to, amp up your preparation. So let's talk about how to prepare for IELTS in 30 days. So the number one thing that you should keep in mind is that for reading section, don't just go for the keywords. There are numerous strategies which you need to follow. Like for true false, the strategy is different. For headings questions, the strategy is different. For fill-ups, it is different. So please consult us for getting an insight into more types of strategies. You need the help of a mentor in this case. Secondly, for the reading section, I would like to say that please practice for completing your exams in 50 minutes. I know that in actual examination you are given 60 minutes to complete the exam, but it would be better if you go a step ahead and you try to complete it in 50 minutes. This will give you an edge to feel confident in the examination. Also, you can check your answer sheet afterwards. All right. Now let's talk about the listening section. So for the listening section, the idea is pretty simple. You need to develop the body and mind coordination. What that means now? That means that when you hear a word, you should be aware कि वो कौन सा word है, which word is it, okay? What is its pronunciation plus what is its spell. तो उसके लिए what you should do after attempting the listening, just go through that same listening once again, but this time just keep the subtitles on. You need to keep the subtitles on so that you can understand that what is the word and what is its pronunciation. All right. Now moving forward. And then another thing which I would like to clarify in terms of listening section is that section A and section D both are fill-ups and they are extremely easy. So my number 4th tip for the listening section is that you need to amplify your scores in the MCQs, in the match the headings questions, which are generally the section B and section C for the listening. So you have to practice them a little more. Now let's move towards the writing section. In writing section, it is basically a time management section. How well you manage your time. So here you will get 2 types of questions. Number 1 is a graph. It is a data interpretation question wherein you will get 6 to 7 types of graphs such as pie chart, line graph, bar chart, process chart. And the other question is task 2, which is an essay. It is an essay, and there are various types of essays which we will keep on discussing in the upcoming videos. So you get a total of 60 minutes here also, right? So what you should do? You should ideally devote 20 minutes for task A and 40 minutes for task 2. So in the 20 minutes for task 1, what you have to do? You have to denote just 12 to 13 minutes for writing the task. Okay, you have to write 150 words here. And for the next 6-7 minutes, please just check your task. And for the essay, you have to write your task in 25 to 30 minutes. And for the next 10 minutes, just check your essay. This is extremely important. Time management is the key to ace your writing section. Now let's move towards the speaking section before we end the video. So what is being asked in the speaking section? You get 3 types of questions. Introductory questions, then is the cue card, and then are the follow-ups. So I would suggest that you prepare for the cue card. What you have to take care here is that the length of the cue card should be long, for at least 2 minutes. I have seen that most of you just speak for about 1 or maybe 1.5 minutes. This is not done. You need to speak for at least 2 minutes if you want to do that. And what is the strategy if you want to do it in 30 days? Just speak 3 to 4 cue cards daily and record them and then listen to them once again. Okay? And also in the introductory and follow-up questions, just keep on giving various connectors, jirreds. So basically there are 6 to 7 tips or strategies you can say which we can teach you in various classes. That how you can ace your speaking section. It is possible, but you need to be aware of what you need to do, which we will be teaching you in the sessions to come. So yes, it is possible to do so in 30 days, but then you need extreme level of guidance. The hand of a teacher who can hold your hand and help you sail through your preparation. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.